We're going to replace this rotten subfloor in this house I bought at auction. It's now called the Money Pit. This is in bad shape. This wood is so rotted. I've never done this before. We're going to watch some YouTube videos and just wing it. The first thing I need to do is definitely get the old piece out. And there is an 4x8 sheet that starts here and goes to about right there. So I think we're going to get this whole sheet up. Take the adventure with me. And we're going to replace this piece in the center, because you could almost fall through it. Pretty deep down there. The first thing I'm going to do is set my circular saw for the depth of that plywood I'm cutting through. That's a piece that came from the center. So that way we won't take a chance on cutting anything else underneath it. Let's lock that down and take a look at it here. Needs to go a lot deeper. All right, let's go cut some floor. Let's measure it first. Make sure it's a 4x8, or at least it's 8 foot, right? So it's 8 foot long. And then the width, about 3 feet. So I think for right now, I'm going to make some noise and just cut a piece of it out. Just like eating an elephant, right? One bite at a time. All right. Got all my safety gear on. Cover up the AC vent as best we can do. So I'm just gonna cut it. See if we went through it. Yep, we went through it. We'll use this guy to get the corner. Try to get a couple nails up. Got a wide variety of tools. Got this big pry bar, these nail pullers, another nail puller. I thought about trying to drill circles around them and all kinds of stuff. Let's see. It's not going to be as hard as I thought. There's one. I'm gonna have to do this section over here also. Something else grabbing it. That guy. That guy. And go right here. Heads are gone on that one. Breaking the heads off. That'll work. All right, I'm gonna get the rest up. I'll show you when we start peeling it up. All right, I think I busted through. I'll get this stuff up so it doesn't just fall down below. At least as much as I can get. Some of the nail heads broke. Some I got out. Some are still in there. How the hell that happened? I have to call in the reinforcements. Reinforcement. Nails over here. Well, I know what's going on, guys. This wood goes under the wall. That's exactly what it does. So, we just created more fun. Oh, wow. Let me take you guys down in here. Got me a light for you. spiders. All right, let me get thinking what my next move is. I'll let you know. Well, I'm gonna put replacing the floor down here on hold because termites. I'm 99.9% sure termites is eating everything up. For example, I cut this square out real quick to measure the thickness. So I go to Home Depot and get some wood. Look at the bottom of that. Sure looks like termites to me. And then when you look up in here or down in here, hopefully this light will help. Sure looks like termites to me. And another one down here. There's like holes in the wood. Now, water coming in for sure has rotted out the floor. I mean, we know that, and I knew that before I ever bought this place. I knew for a fact that I was going to have to do some serious work to this floor. But I didn't know that termites were going to be having their lunch. And there's little termite thingies around here. One is right here. There's one. And another one. The neighbor said that he has seen, pest control come out here and service them. So that's good. But look, so the place is on a block foundation. Even where the termites had lunch, it's up on the block foundation. Makes me want to go underneath. I need to get a crawl suit before I go down there in that mess. Why is that ductwork like that? Going nowhere. Yeah, I'd like to go down there and explore everything. So the board that we just removed from the kitchen floor, now that's termites right there. Streaking and hollowness. All right, well, that's where today's video of trying to repair the subfloor ends. The homeowner association is tired of hearing from me, but oh well, they're going to hear from me tomorrow. So they're responsible for the termites. It says it in big black and white. So we'll see what happens, and I'll update you guys. All right, hey, thank you. Until next time, you'll see me.